Early Tuesday morning, April 30th, 2024, Marion County deputies responded to a call about multiple fires in the Silver Springs Preservation Area. At around 2:30 a.m., Marion County Fire Rescue requested assistance as the fires spread and campers were reported in the woods. MCSO's Aviation Unit, AIR-1, was dispatched and quickly located. Jason Satterly setting additional fires and fleeing southbound through the woods. Deputies Nevin, Himmel, and Jesse Brown, assisted by AIR-1, tracked Satterly through the forest.
Good one, Marion, just for 1043. Be advised, I got 6 active fires. 6.
10-4, 6 active fires.
6620, airwell. Good.
B-26, there's possibly a subject actively starting fires. Hey, Air 1, where are the other fires at for MCFR?
They're all over the place, between baseline and behind Walmart. They're going to be south of where the firefighters are going now.
26, we're headed that way now. I got more fires starting a little bit further south of where all the rescue units are at.
10-4.
Air 1, Marion, add 2 more fires to the list. We've got 2 that are just popped up on the west side of baseline right there in the curve.
10-4, 2 more fires west side of baseline.
655, I see a flashlight moving through the woods just south of me. Looks like someone's running.
Alright, just had another one pop up south of you, so we got 3 right along baseline now. 3 fires are right along baseline on the west side.
675, is it really going to be 1012 the RP?
Ten-4, 6755. 10-12 at RP.
Alright, whoever the unit is that's on the southern end, those 2 units that are on the southern end, we've got somebody walking in the woods that, just on the west side of baseline, just inside the wood line, about 10 to 15 yards.
1026.
Alright, I need you to keep coming southbound until I tell you to stop.
6755, dispatch, you let MCFR know for those RPs on the tent, there's a large fire just south of them.
Okay, I see you guys on the trail now, about 90 degrees to your left. He's about 25 yards to your left. Just set another fire.
How are we looking?
Keep going south. Keep going towards the spotlight.
Air 1, we're here at the power station waiting on him to come out if they don't catch up to him before he gets here.
Therefore, he's getting closer to the entrance to the conservation area, but he's still stuck in the woods. You guys are gaining on him.
Yep, I got you. Thank you. This is fine. At the light, we gotta be right on top of them almost. I got movement. How are we looking? I got visual. Let me see your hand! Don't stop! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Spread your hands out right now! Spread your hands!
I'm in the cuff.
Yep. Spread your hands out right now!
Get your hands out!
Put your hands out!
Put your hands behind your back! Go!
I got a warrant.
Jason Satterly?
Yes, I got a warrant for obstructing.
Oh, good. I'll be taking
Nice.
you to jail for that then, huh?
I was just figuring I'd let you know.
Yep. Good eyes, bud.
I'm an honest person.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So what were you doing out here in these woods?
I was just sitting here chilling by myself.
You're just sitting here chilling by yourself. We'll talk about that more later. How's that?
Okay.
I'm almost out. I'm just about. I'm out.
Deputy Himmel observed Satterly and detained him. Satterly admitted to starting the fires and claimed he was running from people. He also revealed he had an active warrant out of Kentucky and was identified as an absconded sexual offender. AIR-1 reported a total of 8 fires, with 2 at least 30 yards in diameter. Satterly was arrested and taken to Marion County Jail, where he faces charges for malicious burning of land, culpable negligence, and failure to register as a sexual offender.